गेल्या सप्तकासावन सुरू आशिल्लो वादळी वारें जगलना आनी पावस आनीक 3 ते 4 दीस पडपाची शक्यताय हवामान खात्यान उक्तायल्या. सध्या वातावरणात गरमी सदापरस 1 अंश मायज आसा. ह्या वाडिल्ल्या तापमाना खातीर हे वादळी वारें आनी पावस पडटा अशें हवामान खातें सांगता. गोंयच्या पूर्व भागांत पडपी हो पावस जोराच्या वाऱ्याक लागून मुरगांव आनी पणजेत पावपाची शक्यताय खात्यान उक्तायल्या. हे वातावरण आनीक 3 ते 4 दीस उरपाची शक्यताय हवामान खात्यान उक्तायल्या.
Goa state is experiencing thunderstorm activities for the past 1 week almost. Only thing is the intensity of rainfall and the thunderstorm strength was different on different days. Like on 4th, that is on last Friday, there was a widely distributed thunderstorm activity, and even Panaji or other coastal stations also received thunderstorm and rainfall. So the basic driving force for this thunderstorm activity is the increase in heating. For the past 1 week, the temperature of Goa region is slightly above normal. That means the normal temperature around 30 degree, and we are receiving 31 to 32 degrees. So this increase in heat is actually creating this thunderstorm, because there are some weather systems we call as trough, which is bringing moisture, and this increased heat is resulting in formation of thunderstorm clouds. When these thunderstorm clouds develop, lightning and thunder are a common feature along this thunder shower rains. So what we can say is, as the time we are speaking about this, there are thunderstorm activities taking place over the eastern ghats, eastern side of Goa, which is in the ghat region, like Satari, the Bandora talukas are experiencing thunderstorm as we are speaking, and it is expected that when the systems are strong enough, they will come along with the wind, and even the coastal regions such as Panaji, Goa will experience some light to moderate rainfall along with thunder and lightning. So this condition is expected to continue for 3 to 4 more days, because there are these weather systems in the interior Karnataka which are bringing moisture, and also the temperature is remaining slightly above normal. And the thing I would like to say, that this entire phenomena is a common feature in this part of the year, like in late September, early October, when the monsoon is slowly withdrawing. These conditions prevail over Goa region every year. So this is a usual phenomena only, but this is going to continue for 3 to 4 more days in this season.